Okay, good morning student. Welcome back in 8D maths class. In last lecture, I have completed with 4 diagram: root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. Wait, maybe your network problem, so please bear. 2-3 minutes it will be, within 2-3 minutes it will be stable. Okay, so in last lecture, last 4 diagram we have seen, that is very important. 101% they are going to ask out of that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. So that you have to do practice. You have to draw the sharp diagram, not thicker line. No need to rub, no need to repeat the arcs like that. This point you have to keep in mind. Now next chapter, from algebra to geometry, with the geometrical diagram, parallel line and their transversal. First, when we can say two lines are parallel? There are 2-3 different types of definition. If two lines intersect each other, so there is one common point. It is on this also, it is on this also. So when two lines intersect each other, there is a point of intersection. One point of intersection. When there is no point of intersection, there is no common point. When in between two lines there is no common point, then that two lines are said to be parallel. Then when there is no common point in between two lines are there and there is no common point, these two lines are said to be parallel, no common point. And the distance between two lines always same. If it is 4 centimeters or 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters or 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters or 4 centimeters. So the distance between two lines, if it is equal, then that two lines are said to be parallel. If there is no intersection, parallel. If there is no common point, parallel. Like that, there are different definition of parallel line. Now, two parallel line and transversal. So, if two lines are parallel and transversal, means one line which intersect two line, one line intersect two line, that is known as transversal. Or non parallel line also you can draw, and you can draw transversal. So when one line and one transversal, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Total number of angles are 4. Now I have changed network full on, bacha. Wait, from my side it is clear. वेट, आपका नेटवर्क शायद डाउन होगा, वेट करो, वेट. तो when two transversal are, when two lines are parallel and one transversal are there, so how many angles? Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So 4 plus 4, total 8. So 3 point I have clear. I want to repeat that because of this network problem you didn't get it. Don't speak anything in between. Close your mic. When two lines are intersecting, there is one common point. But when there is no common point between two lines, it is said to be parallel. When two lines are not intersecting, at that time also two lines are said to be parallel. When the distance between two lines always equal, it is said to be parallel. Then when two lines intersect each other, there are four angles form. When two lines and one intersector means transversal. Transversal means what? One line cuts rest of two lines. That is a transversal. In that case, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 angles you will get. Now, different symbol types. Two parallel line and intersection. So you can write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now name of pair. Shape. Means alphabet. Shape you can write. Number of pair. Type. One we will see. First, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means that is of F shape. Where you will find F shape? See, this is F, 1, 2 F, 3 F, 4 F. So number of pair are 4. Type, if you will find this F, so this and this are congruent, means equal. Corresponding means F shape. F. So this and this F shape, no? So 1, 2, 3 this angle, 1, 2, 3 this angle. This and these are said to be corresponding. So corresponding always in F form. And there are 4 pair. If 2 lines in one intersection or one transversal are there, there are total number of 4 pair. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. Now that F angle are always equal. Then corresponding to direct we will go to this. Alternate pair of angle it is given. Alternate angle, that is Z shape. Z shape. One angle, two angle. Here one angle, two angle. So Z you can see 1Z, 2Z. Only two you will find. Only two you will find. And Z is always equal. This equal to this. Always. Congruent. Equal. Correct? Next. Third. Interior. Interior always of shape C. So you can see 1C, you can see 2C. So there are only two. There are not, these two are not congruent. The total always will be 180. Means it is supplementary. It is supplementary means the total always will be 180. So if it is 60, so if it is 120, so total will be 180. So there are many more, but they have given this much corresponding interior and alternate. More two are there. 4. In higher standard you will require this. VOL, vertically opposite angle. These and these are vertically opposite. 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 So the vertically opposite angle are in the form this X form. So these and these are vertically opposite. These and these are vertically opposite. There are 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. There are total number of pair are 4. And always it is congruent, equal. One more pair. Linear, it will be of Y shape. 1, 2. There are many. See, this is Y shape, this is Y shape, this is also Y shape, this is also Y shape. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 4 plus 4, 8 pair of linear. And always it is plus 80, 180 sorry, and it is supplementary. So you have to remember the shape. Then you have to write the number of pair. So 1 1 1 1 we will find out. We will do a new diagram. So when two parallel lines are there, one transversal means one line intersecting rest of two lines. At that time total number of 8 angles will be formed. Total number of the angles will be formed 8. From that we can identify the name of pair, shape of the pair, number of the pair, type of that pair. Means suppose corresponding it is given. For corresponding you have to find out F. Okay, and there are 4 F you will find ulta pulta. 4 F, 4 pair, and F means they are equal. Congruent, equal, same name, measurement are same. Alternate means Z you have to find out. From this line Z you can form, yes, 1, 2. So there are 2 Z, equal, congruent. Interior means inside, not outside. So C, she said this plus this is interior pair. This is interior pair. Always interior pair. The sum of that two angle always 180. So it is supplementary. VOL, vertically opposite angle. So that is X shape. There are 4 pair and always they are congruent, equal, and linear. Y. See if two lines are there, this. So remove this part. So this is why. This is why. So in that ulta pulta there are 8 y's. And these sum of this plus this, always it is a linear. So always it is 180. Now we will see how to write the pair, number of pairs. See, name and number of pairs. There are 4 pairs. So which angle? That we will search. Now it is okay. Wait. Don't start attendance. Yes. आने joined on time बच्चा है, within 5 minutes, within 5, 6, 7, or if it is a network problem within 10 minutes you can join, but don't come in and out. See, lots of files are there. Now first corresponding. Corresponding angle means F. So you have to start writing name from here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, F and 4 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 pair. So you can see this F. First I will give the name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now F, you can see F. This is F. So from here 1, 2, 3, C, D, E. Again from here 1, 2, 3, F, E, H. One pair. Now second pair. I'll cut this. F ulta now. F, you can see F. Now 1, 2, 3. FEB. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. CBG. Correct? Now this side, ulta. F. See that one. F. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the name is DEB. ABG. Now this F. ABE, DEH. ABE, DEH. So 4 pair I have completed. This F, then inverted F, inverted F. So there are 4 F-shaped pair of the angle. So you have to write 2 catch the name from the diagram, that is very important, and for that I have given shape that is not given in the textbook even. So these four type of the pair, no, corresponding, alternate, vertically opposite, linear, these are very important for higher standard also, for proof also, for theorem also. So to catch the name from the diagram, that is important, and that is why I am giving you the shape. From that shape now, and dot also, see, from dot 1 2 3 dot 1 2 3, like that, dot 1 2 3 dot 1 2 3. So now the pair is okay. With color I am trying to show you that how you can catch the pair. First done, now second group of pair. Then alternate, B group. Alternate angle means Z shape. This angle and this angle. Always you have to start from here. 1 2 3. Second here. One, two, three. What happened? Now Z. See, this is Z. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3 from here, from here. So first pair. So first pair, ABE, FEB, first pair. Z, there are only two pair. Now next Z. With shape, no, it will be very easy for you from here and from here. CBE, DE, CBE, DBE, DEB. These two angles are. Say beta Nidhi. In the textbook they have not given the shape. This I am giving you how to find very easily from the diagram, because to write the name and to find the name of the angle from the diagram, that is very important, and with this help, with the help of this shape, no, very easily you can identify. Means you have to remember corresponding means F only, alternate means Z only, vertically opposite means opposite X only, and interior, now it will be interior, so that is C. Third part, okay. Interior pair of angle. There are also only two pair, so remove this. It is C. So from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3. So first pair CBE, FEB, opposite side. Highlight. From there you have to start 1 2 3, 1 2 3. ABE, DEB, and this vertically opposite and linear not given, but that I am explaining one pair. So very easily with the shape is very important. Shape is very important. Now for example x, this is x, so this angle and this angle, vertically opposite angle, so x, so from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3, so here ABG, in interior I have written equal, no sorry, that I will write again, sorry, ABG, CBE, these are congruent, but in interior it is not congruent. If we are writing this, sorry I am writing again, I am marked wrong, CBE plus 1 2 3 1 2 3 FEB, it is not congruent, sorry, C interior, C, F congruent, Z congruent, X congruent, but Y, this is Y, so 1 plus 2, it is 180, and C, 1 plus 2, first angle, second angle, so these three are congruent, these two are supplementary, means angle number 1 plus angle number 2, it is 180. By mistake in previous that I have written congruent, but that plus that it is 180. So means one angle, two angle, 180. One angle, two angle, 180. Like that. Very good example given 2.1. So number 1, PQRS, WXYZ. Now, for corresponding, they have asked angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S, this corresponding, this corresponding, this corresponding, this corresponding. Corresponding means F with P. Who will make F? Who will make F? C. So W, you can see P and F, P and W, so angle W. Q for this, so you can see this F, so this and this, Q and X. R, you can see this is R, this is Y. Now S, for S, this is S, so this is Z. So with the help of shape, see, very easily you can find out your answer. Here not the congruent, only we have to find out the pair, which pair. So by F, draw the F with pencil. Now one is covered, which is not covered, write the name. Very easy. Next one, this I have to draw again. Whose mic is on, beta? Ramjan, what happened? Now, alternate angle. One part they have given, second part means pair we have to find out. S and W. S. रामकृष्णा साहिल, वीडियो ऑफ करो. Why you are making वीडियो ऑन? या शूटिंग चल रही है क्या? आराम से बैठ के पढ़ाई करो ना बेटा. S but alternate angle is Z shape. So Z shape. So in this S include. So in this X. Now for W, you can see this R. Now from this we will find out vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle of angle of angle of angle of angle. For example, for Y, for W, for P, for S, I say vertically opposite means this. Suppose it is this, so you have to write the answer of this. Suppose it is this, you have to write the answer of this. So it is P. So P opposite R. S opposite Q. Here directly they have given single alphabet. In when previous example we have seen, no, all three alphabets are given. At that time you have to write the actual name. So W to W. Opposite W opposite Y. And Y opposite W. What is the vertically opposite of Q? That is S. What is the vertical opposite of Z? That is X. What is the vertical opposite of X? Riyan Khan, why you are making speaker on? Now, one more diagram it is given. Now transversal is this. And two intersecting lines are this. It is a diagram given in textbook. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H. Now see, point wise. Interior. Interior angle means what? C. Interior angle, you can see C shape. So B, angle B, B and E, it is 180. So it is interior. C shape, C shape, CH. Then question is corresponding. Corresponding means F. So find out F this. So this is B, F, B, F. Again my con. B and F, you can see this is F. G, C. Now F, E, A. Now F, H, D. Now corresponding then interior. Interior means interior corresponding the alternate now. Corresponding alternate angle means Z shape. See this Z. So E and C. EC, then BH. Vertically opposite angle we are searching. Opposite. A opposite C. B opposite D. E opposite G. F opposite H. These are vertically opposite. So from a single alphabet, from triple alphabet, how to read the diagram, that is very important. And this is the starting, this is the base. How to read the geometrical diagram, how to find your shape, how to write the name of the triangle. This is very important. So 1.1 only two sums are there that I have explained, and definition of parallel line, 2-3 definition I have explained. Two lines and one transversal, with the help of that 8 angles will be formed. From that 8 angles we can form different type of pair of the angle. According to the shape we can identify. Now from this base we have to calculate. Some numericals are also there. Suppose these and these are equal. Okay. We'll meet in next group. Thank you.